So I'll start with the code, by preparing the data. So first I'll prepare a dictionary name paper. Let me first import the NLTK. So NLTK is working or not, let me check first. So I'll write in the IPython console import NLTK. So you can see that it's not throwing any error. It means it has been imported successfully. Before you start your coding, you need to download all the constraint or all the collections of NLTK. So for that I will write nltk.download. This function will open a new API through which you can download all the collections of NLTK. This is required for this stylometric analysis. So I'll just download everything. So up to it downloads, we'll start with our dictionary thing. So I will write papers as the dictionary. So the first author is name is medicine, so medicine, and the key is medicine, and the values will be the list of papers which he wrote. So the lists are 10, 14, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. So these are the file names. If you see the files, the first name is same for all the files Federalist, but after underscore there is a numbering. So I'm defining these numbers as a list here. Okay, so for medicine he wrote these, as I told in the last video, that medicine wrote around 14 papers. So these are the 14 papers which he wrote. And then we'll create the dictionary for Hamilton. So I'll put a comma and then I'll write Hamilton. And Hamilton wrote around 52 papers. So I'll write those 52 numbers which are present there: 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've written the list for Hamilton. After that, after Hamilton comes the J. So I will create the key and value pair for J. So J, and the values will be J wrote 4 papers. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. And after J we have shared papers of medicine and Hamilton. So I'll just write shared, and the values and the list of values are value list are 18, 19 and 20. So 3 papers they wrote collaboratively, and there are disputed papers which we are not sure of who exactly wrote this paper. So I will just write disputed, and the value will be a list of some papers which are 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 62 and 63. So these are the papers which are disputed, and we really don't know who exactly wrote. So we are going to analyze for these papers exactly. We'll see that who can write these papers by analyzing the word length graph of all the authors which we have stated before the disputed papers. Okay, so our data is the dictionary is created. Now I'll create a definition of reading files. So what the idea is, let me write the definition name: read files. Okay, this will take one argument name as file name, and what we are going to do, we'll create another dictionary, and this dictionary, what it will contain, it will contain the key value as the author's name, and the key will be the author's name, and the value will be whatever he wrote will keep all the data in a particular list as a string. So the key will be the author's name, and the value will be all the data, whatever he lost, whatever he wrote. So all the data as a singular string. So let me create a list name string. So strings as list. Okay. I'll create my loop as for file and file name. The file name is my argument. With open, I'll open my file as, so my file name is Federalist, and with an underscore, and now we'll add the curly braces so that I can put the file name. So what exactly is this? It is the key value which the corresponding value for each key, which for each author. So I'll put it here and .txt. So I'll created the string for the file name so that I can open the exact file of particular author. I'll open it as f, and I'll append string, which the strings, the list which I created, the name of the list is strings dot append. And what I am going to append, the file which I just opened as f. I'll read this f dot read, and whatever it is reading, I'll just append it into this string list. Okay, and I'll just join it and return it. So and what I am going to return is /n dot join the string. That's it. So what I'm going to do with this function, each time for each author, I'll send the file name. File name is the list of the which contains the numbers, and through these numbers I'll read the file which is presenting the data folder for the corresponding author, and I'll get all the data for a particular author, read the string and put it in a single list. Okay, what I'm going to do with the single list we'll see in the next video. Thank you.